I told you to read the story, right? So have you read? Have you read the story? All of you?
No.
I'm talking about the story.
Yes, ma'am.
Palak, I'm talking about the story. Where are you?
I will check once more. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Ma'am, please.
Wait.
Ma'am, please hear me. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you, Palak. Okay. So, I told you to read page number 91, 92 and 93, right? So, have you read it? Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. What?
I do not read because in my home there was a function, so I go there.
You went there. I go there, no. Like, say like I went there, okay? I didn't. Yes. So, let's do it. We have to read from page number 92, right? 90, yes.
This story is very interesting, and you say that in next class me and Khushbu will read about that.
Yes. Scene 5. We are on scene 5, right? So open your book, all of you. Page number 92. We are on scene 5. Okay? We did till scene 4 in the last class. So we are going to start scene 5. Okay? So please open your book, all of you. Page number 92, fast, and show me your book fast.
Ma'am, I am open.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I read?
Wait. I will let you know. Wait. All of you just show me your book fast. Yes. Garv, please show me your book. Sanvi, Khushbu, Akash, please show me your book. Sanvi, show me your book. Yes. Garv, what happened? Just show me your book. You're not listening to me? Just go and get it fast. Open the page number 92, all of you. We are on scene 5. Okay? When Madam Air meets Lord Volcano. Understood? So, let me see. Yes. So, Madam Air will be Palak. Okay? And let me see. Garvit, have you read it in the last class? Okay. Wait. Garv, have you read it in the last class? No, na? So you will be Lord Volcano. Got it? So open the page number 92. Show me your book, Garv. I am unmuting Palak and Garv. Then in the next scene, Khushbu will read. Okay? In the next scene. Scene 6. Okay. So, where is Garv? Garv, show me. Yes. Unmute yourself, Garv, fast. You will be Lord Volcano. Yes. Unmute yourself. Wait, Palak. Let me unmute you. Palak, let me unmute you. Yes. Unmute yourself now. Now, page number 92, scene 5. Okay. So, you will be read Lord Volcano and Palak will be read Madam Air. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Palak.
May I start, ma'am?
Wait. Palak will start. Wait, Gar. I will tell you to read. Okay. So just sit calm and listen to it carefully. Children, listen to them carefully. Also, in scene 5, Madam Air meets Lord Volcano. Okay? Volcano. Understood? Now, let me introduce in the corner of the stage. Like you all are the audience and you are watching a play. In scene 5 starts and in the corner of the stage, Lord Volcano is standing quietly. What is the meaning of quietly? To be quiet. Okay? Okay. Watching Madam Air pace up. What is pace up? You can see pace up means walking. Okay? And down angrily. As she passes him, he makes a rumbling sound. Who makes a rumbling sound? Lord Volcano. What is rumbling? A continuous sound. Okay? What is the meaning of rumbling? A continuous sound. And shake himself. Lord Volcano himself shaking himself. Okay? like this, shaking. So the scene starts in a corner of the stage. In one corner of the stage, Lord Volcano is standing quietly, and Madam Air comes. She walks up and go down angrily. Why she's angry? Because we have read in scene 4 and scene 3, Mr. Sun and Mr. Land told her, don't change. Change is not always good, right? That is why. And then she comes to Lord Volcano, and Lord Volcano makes a rumbling sound, a continuous sound, and shakes himself. Okay, so let's start. Okay, Madam Air. Yes, Palak, please start. On page number 93.
Startled stops. Startled stops. Oops! What was that?
Okay, so let me tell you. Wait. Yes. Startled stops. What is the meaning of startled? All of you. Startled means when we are feeling shocked. Okay? Startled means when we are feeling shocked. So she stops and she is saying, "Oh, what was that?" So Garv, please read Lord Volcano. Volcano, please. Don't unmute, okay? Don't unmute. Yes. Start from Lord Volcano. He. What he says?
Me.
Garv, what happened? I'm waiting. Garv, I'm waiting, beta. Yes, Garv.
Yes, ma'am.
Unmute yourself, beta. Please fast. Unmute yourself. You are playing a role of
Okay.
Lord Volcano. Okay, so just start reading on page number 93. Ha ha ha. Start from ha ha ha. Start. Start, beta.
Ma'am, wait.
Yes.
Ma'am, wait.
Okay, I'm waiting. On page number 93, beta.
Ma'am, I'm 93, which line?
Second line, volcano. You have to read volcano's line, okay?
Ma'am, 90.
93.
Volcano.
Yes, ha ha ha. Start from ha ha ha.
He. It's me. Rubbles again.
Okay, it's rumbles again. Okay, what do you mean by rumbles? As I told you, a continuous sound. Okay, so he is saying ha ha ha, it's me. He is saying, Lord Volcano is saying it's me. Okay, and he rumbles again, a continuous sound. Okay, now Palak, please read. Madam Air.
I should have known. It was you. You mannerless fellow. Look at her dress. Oh no, pretty dress. My very best one. Now you have spoiled it with your dirt and gases. Stop that rumbling.
Okay, great Palak, very good. Okay, so what Madam Air says?
Ma'am, you did.
What? Okay. Yes. So what Madam Air says? Stop that. She is saying to Lord Volcano, let's stop that. I should have known it was you. She was saying that I should have known that it was you. You mannerless fellow. She is saying to Mr. Lord Volcano that you mannerless. What is mannerless? What is the meaning of mannerless? Who have no manners. Okay. So who have no manners. She is saying to Lord Volcano that you mannerless fellow, look at her dress. Okay. Oh no, it's my pretty. She's saying my pretty dress. She's wearing a pretty dress and she's saying my pretty dress. My very best one. Okay. Now you have spoilt it. She's saying to him, you have spoilt it. What is the meaning of spoilt, everyone? Destroyed. Yes, it means destroyed it with your dirt and gases. Okay, so she is saying to Mr. Lord Volcano, you have spoiled my dress with your dirt and gases. Stop that rumbling. Because he is rumbling, right? He is rumbling. That is why she is saying to him. Okay, Daksh, please start. don't unmute yourself, Daksh. I told you many times, don't unmute yourself. Yes, start.
Ma'am, he is
Yes, ma'am. What?
You have to read it once. Volcano, you know. Certainly. Start from certainly.
Certainly, but I have the right to do anything. After all, it was my
Ancestors
ancestors who
who created.
created you.
Okay, so Mr. Volcano, Mr. Lord Volcano says, certainly. What is the meaning of certainly? Surely. Okay? What is the meaning of certainly? Surely. He is saying, surely, but I have every right to do anything. Okay? After all, it was all my ancestors. Who are ancestors, Palak? Who are ancestors? Yes,
ma'am,
Rajvi.
I
Okay.
all are mountains.
What? Yes,
Ma'am, I think my
okay, let me.
mountains.
Okay, no. Rajvi, please tell me what are ancestor. You have raised your hand. Tell me.
Ma'am, parts.
No, let her speak. Rajvi, please tell. Yes, Rajvi, unmute yourself. Wait. Yes, Rajvi, please tell me fast.
Ma'am,
What? Tell me.
remember.
Our grandparents. Our grandparents' father, our grandparents' mother, our grandparents, like, okay, they are ancestors for us. Okay, understood now?
It's who created you.
What?
Ma'am, I am saying that it was my parents that created you.
Yes, no, grandparents, not parents, it's grandparents. Okay, not parents.
Grandparents.
Yes. So he's saying, after all, it was my ancestors who created you. He's saying to Madam Air, right? Okay. Now your voice is breaking, Palak.
Ma'am,
Wait, all of you. Wait. Let me mute you all first. Yes, Palak, now unmute yourself because your voice is so breaking, you know. And Garv, please unmute yourself.
I am saying that Raju want to say something to you.
Beta, her voice is breaking actually. And Rajvi, please turn on your video. Yes, Palak, please start. Madam Air, what she says then?
What do you mean?
Okay, so she is saying, what do you mean? Okay, Garv, unmute yourself now. Please read Lord Volcano. Didn't you know?
Did you?
No, it's didn't you know? It's didn't you know?
Didn't you know? In the beginning, the earth was a huge ball of
Hot.
gas which cooled down and became the surface. That was the time my ancestors speed cooled down, returned to my out dust and gas over millions of years.
Over millions of
Years.
over millions of years. It's over millions of years. Those gases created you. Okay. So what Volcano is saying to Madam Air, didn't you know? Like we said, don't you know that? Okay. So he's saying, didn't you know in the beginning? What is the meaning of beginning? In the starting. Okay. So he's saying, in the beginning, the earth was a huge ball of gases. As you all know, earth was a huge ball of gases, hot gas. Okay, which cooled down. Then it cooled down and became the surface we are living in, right? And then he was saying, that was the time my ancestors spewed out. What is the meaning of spewed out? Through. Okay, what is through? the past form of throw, when we throw something. So that was a time the ancestors threw dust and gases over millions of years. Then those gases created you. That is why Madam Air has created by the ancestors of Lord Volcano. How? Wait, Palak, I'm unmuting you. Don't unmute. Don't mute yourself, okay, Palak? Because you are reading, right? Yes.
Wonderful. Then you are the perfect person to change me.
So she is saying, wow, wonderful that you are the perfect person to change me, because she wants a change, right? She wants a change. That is why she is saying to him that you are the wonderful person who can change me. Understood? Yes, girl, please read another line.
Ma'am, but Dakshi is reading with me.
I'm sorry, it's girl. Girl.
What that? My
Ancestors. All of you say ancestors. I can read your lips, all of you. Ancestors.
ancestor didn't create only you. They formed water and slowly life deployed in the ocean.
Developed. The girl, it's developed.
To land.
It's developed. It's developed.
Developed in the ocean and shifted to land. Plant and animal.
Okay.
Enough.
Okay, great. Wait. Let me explain this first, Palak. Okay. So what Volcano says, change you. He is shocked. He is saying to Madam Air, change you. What on earth for? Why? What on earth for? Why you are here then? My ancestors didn't create only you, but they create what they formed? Water, life. They developed life in the oceans. What is the meaning of oceans? A large area surrounded by water, and then shifted to land. They shifted to land, plants and animals. That's so easy. Yes. Now Madam Air, start.
Enough of all that. I should not listen you. You can do only more.
Okay, listen to me, everyone. Ek minute. Akash and Khushbu, please turn on your video. Otherwise, you can leave. Wait, Akash, please turn on your video. Yes. Why did you turn off your video every time? I told you not to turn off. Okay. Yes. So, what Madam here says, interrupting. She is interrupting him. Like if I am saying something and you are interrupting me. You are stopping me and you are saying your things. Okay. Yes. So she is saying to him, enough. Enough all that. It is enough. I shan't listen to you. What is shan't? Should not. I should not listen to you anymore. And she walks away angrily. Okay. And she walks away angrily. Okay. Everyone? Understood? Now come to the page number 94. Very good, Palak and Garv. Wait. Very good, Palak and Garv. You have read so well. Now in scene 6, Khushbu will be Madam Air. And let me see. Sanvi, you will be tree. Okay? You will be tree. Understood? Khushbu will be Madam Air in scene 6. And Sanvi will be tree. Okay, understood now? I am unmuting you. Wait. Sanvi, unmute yourself. And Khushbu, unmute yourself. Wait. And don't mute yourself now. Okay? Wait. Let me introduce scene 6 first.
Can I start?
No, not yet. Okay, so we are on scene 6 on page number 94, all of you. Okay? So here in scene 6, what happens? Madam Air meets the tree in an open space. There is an open space. Okay, very spacious place. There is an open space where Madam Air meets tree. Understood? Khushbu will be Madam Air and Sanvi will be tree. Okay, start reading, Khushbu.
Read
help me. I want to change myself, but nobody is ready to help me.
Very good, Khushbu. Okay, there is a voice behind you. Okay, you can unmute yourself. You can mute yourself. Okay, Khushbu. Okay, very good, Khushbu. Okay, so scene 6 starts. So Madam Air comes, and where she is sitting? Beneath the tree. Okay, what is the meaning of beneath? Who will tell me what is the meaning of beneath? What is beneath? Yes, Palak. Unmute yourself now. Rajvi, please turn on your video.
I'm under.
Yes.
I'm under the tree.
Okay, under is niche, right? Like I am sitting under a tree. Beneath means like I am, I am leaning on the tree. चिपकी हूँ मैं, लीन कर रखा है मैंने. Okay.
Back is stick to the tree.
Yes,
and you
yes,
are
yes.
taking
Very good.
The rest.
Right. Okay. So what happened? She is sitting beneath the tree, looking up at its leaf. She is looking at the leaves of the tree. Okay. Then she is saying to the tree, "Ah, how soothing you are." What is the meaning of soothing? Calm, peace. Okay. And oh tree, she is saying to the tree, "Oh tree, dear tree, surely you will help me." So she is saying to the tree that you will surely help me. Nityam, please open the page number 94. We are on scene 6. Okay? We are on scene 6. Yes. So she is saying to the tree that you will surely help me because she wants a change, right? That is why she went there and she is telling to the tree that you will change me. I want to change myself, but nobody is ready to help me. She is saying to the tree, she is asking to the tree that nobody is helping me, so please help me. Okay? Now tree. Sanvi, please read. Wait. Unmute yourself now.
Yes, ma'am. Tree. Gently. Madam Air. Dear Madam.
Madam.
All of us, plants and animals would die without you. We love you just the way you are.
Okay, very good. So, what tree is saying to Madam Air that, dear Madam, all of us, plants and animals, would die without you. Why would die without you? Why he is saying to her, because without air we can't live, right? We cannot live without air. That is why.
Yes, we need oxygen.
Yes, that is why everyone is saying that no, don't change. Okay, change is not good. Yes, Nityam, wait, I'll come to you also. Okay. Yes. So she is saying, wait, Nityam, what are you saying? Wait. Unmute yourself.
And which page number?
Page number 94. We are on scene 6. Okay. We are on scene 6. Starting. We are. Understood? Nityam, where were you?
Yes.
From last 2 days?
From last 2 days?
Yes.
No, ma'am, I have come. Ma'am, we are shifting Gurgaon, so there is some problem, so I cannot join.
Okay, fine. Okay. Please be regular, okay, in the class. You have missed, scenes 3, 4 and 5. That is why I am saying, okay? You can mute yourself now. Okay. So, now, and tree is saying to Madam Air that we love you as you are. We love you just the way you are, okay? Now, Madam Air, who is Madam Air? Khushbu, right? Khushbu, please read. Oh, wait. Unmute yourself. Read.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yes, of course.
Close the door.
Wait, Khushbu, I am unmuting you once again. Yes.
Ma'am, now can I start?
Yes.
As if I care. Get up and...
Okay, Khushbu. Start.
Ma'am, As if I care.
Okay.
As if I care gets up and walk up.
Okay, so she got angry.
Sorry, walk off.
Yes. So she got angry, because
Ma'am is done.
yeah, very good, Khushbu. So what Madam is as if I care, and she gets off and walk away. She walks away angrily. Okay, she got angry, very angry, because everybody says no to her. That don't change. Okay, that is why she got angry now. Now we are on scene 7, everyone. Nityam, please turn on your video. Okay, now we are on scene 7. So Madam Air meets the squirrel. In scene 7, what happened? Madam Air meets the squirrel. Nityam, are you there? Unmute yourself. Please turn on your video so that you can read. Yes. So in scene 7, let me see. Madam Air will be Dishita. Dishita, are you ready? Wait. I have not unmuted you. Wait. Are you ready? Yes. Rajvi, actually your video is breaking. Your voice is breaking. That is why I'm not unmuting you. Okay. Nityam, are you there? Nityam, maybe he is not there. Garvit, are you ready? Okay. Garvit, unmute yourself now. And Dishita, unmute yourself. Wait. So Dishita will be Madam Air in scene 7, and Squirrel will be Garvit. Understood? Shall we start now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dishita, read. Please read.
Oh, squirrel, sweet little squirrel, how I want a change.
Okay, very good. So Madam Air says, "Oh, squirrel, sweet little squirrel," because squirrel. Have you seen squirrel? All of you? Yes, everybody has seen squirrel, right? So it's very little and very cute, So very sweet. So Madam Air is saying to Mr. Squirrel that, "Oh, little cute squirrel, how I want to change." Because everybody knows that she wants a change, right? That is why she is saying to him also that how I want a change. How? She's asking. Okay, now Garvit, please read.
A change? What?
Okay, so Squirrel is, wondering, a change? Why? What? Okay, now Dishita, please read.
You are just like the rest. You don't know what to change at all.
Okay, so Madam Air is saying once again, you are just like the rest. So she is saying to him also that you are like all the rest. What are rest? All of them, like in scene 3, 4, Lord Volcano, Mr. Land, Mr. Sun. So she is saying to him also that you are also just like the rest. Okay, that is why she is saying to him, you do not want to change me. Okay, let's start now.
Can I read?
Wait, Nityam, next scene you will read. Okay, because I don't know where were you. I told you, I asked you to read, but you were not there, Nityam. Okay, start reading, Garvit.
No. It's just that.
Okay, so he's saying, Squirrel is saying, no, it's just that. Okay, yes, Rishita, please read. What? She's saying what? Then read. Read. Squirrel.
Don't talk you.
Don't you know? It's don't you know?
Don't you know that humans have already changed you? At least they have started too.
Okay, so Squirrel is saying, what Squirrel is saying, don't you know that humans have already changed? Okay, humans, what are humans? We are humans, right? We all are humans. So Squirrel is saying to Madam Air, you know that humans have already changed you. Okay, so she's saying, he's saying once again, at least they have started to. Okay, they have already started to change. Okay, now please read, Dishita.
Do you really mean that? How lovely.
Okay, so do you really mean that? She's saying, do you really mean that? Whatever you have said, how lovely you are. Okay, Garvit.
I don't know whether it's lovely or not. All I know is that people have made factories and vehicles which throw out all kinds of gases. They are also doing things that raise a lot of dust.
Okay, so what Squirrel is saying, I don't know whether it's lovely or not. All I know is people have made factories. You all know, right? People have made factories, and which, vehicles which throw out gases, which throw out gases, and all kinds of gases. So he is saying, Squirrel is saying, they all know, they are also know how to do things, and that they raise lots of gases. They raise lots of gases, through the factories, through the chimneys. Have you seen that factories?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is why he's saying. Okay, now Madam Mayor.
Really?
Really?
Then I must blow my way to where they live.
So she's saying, yes.
Quickly.
Okay, so what she's saying, really, is it? So then I must blow my way to where they live. So she wants a change, okay? And she is saying that I must blow my way. Like, what is blow? What is the meaning of the blow? What is the meaning of the blow? Dishita, kindly tell me. Yes, Sanvi, correct. Okay. Yeah, so she is saying I must blow, okay, my way, where they live, where everyone's live, and then she moves away quickly, okay, because Squirrel says that there are many factories and vehicles which throw out kinds of gases. That is why she went away. Who went away? Madam Air. Okay, she is saying that I will blow off my way to where they live.